Hey guys, we've just unboxed latest RTX 40 Founders Edition from Nvidia. And well, since embargo lifts on the same day, we've got 4080 from Asus as well. This is a 4080 TUF Gaming OC Edition. It's the overclocked 4080, but also slightly more on the budget. Slightly more on the budget is probably a strong word, considering that these cards will actually be retailing at slightly more expensive than the Founders Edition, but let's see what we got inside the box and go through it. What's actually kind of interesting about this particular box, and I know I'm kind of getting excited about a box, but normally Nvidia's boxes are all square, and I say Nvidia has very strong requirements to their partners in terms of how the box looks like. And this time around, at least Asus has a box with, well, cut off corners. I hope they didn't cut any corners when it comes down to the card itself. Let's open it up and have a look. Let's open it up. Nice box, but first impressions for opening it, not as nice, but hey. Wow, that is considerably bigger. Right, so that's the card. In the box, we also have the triple cable connector, cable tie. We also have an anti-sag bracket with it inside the box. And I believe this is the one you can install anyway in the case, because you can just kind of plunk it down, extend it, and lock it down. Thus, it'll just push onto itself. That's kind of cool. And I think, if memory serves me right, there is also a screwdriver in this somehow. So what you could do is set it up like this, use it as a screwdriver first, mount things, unscrew it, flip it over, put it inside, and then that becomes suddenly your holder for your graphics card. A little tool I didn't know that I need. So in the document pile, we have a little collector's card with TUF Gaming. This little contraption is actually a little thank you card. Well, the thank you is now on the back, but it now assembles into this little holder. Probably most likely useful for a phone holder. And then just a general, warranty card and a thank you note. So the card itself is made of basically aluminium on the outside, obviously plastic fans. So on this side we have 6 heat pipes running all the way through these fins. The fin stack is actually pretty dense. Then on the bottom here, you can actually see right through towards the board. Because these cards obviously draw a lot of power, that will naturally generate a lot of heat. Therefore, if you were to cover this all up, the heat will just kind of recirculate and stay inside there. But in this case, at least it circulates and kind of comes out. It's kind of nice. On top, you've got 3 massive fans. And I must say, I actually rather like the fact that they've gone with aluminium on top rather than your typical plastic. It just gives it a bit more of a premium feel. On the back, we have actually a whole stack of ports. We have 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, just here, and 3 display ports. Display 1.4, that is. That's actually more than the Founders Edition. Founders Edition, on the other hand, only has 1 HDMI and 3 DisplayPort 1.4s. And is smaller, but is a lot more dense. So I can instantly feel that the weight difference between them is actually huge. And that's because the Founders Edition card is using the same cooler as the 4090. On the other hand, well, we'll need to see from Asus if it's using the same cooler from 4090 that they have. But it doesn't feel anywhere near as heavy. These cards will actually be more expensive than the Founders Editions. To some, that'll be an issue, and others will probably find that one of them is better, right? We're gonna have to check that out. So we're actually currently working on benchmarking both these cards and compare them head to head, which one is actually better. Whether it's just higher performance or maybe better cooling, that's probably quieter, or if there's any other glaring issues under the hood. So we'll have a look and we'll report that back. So check out the other videos on the channel. There'll be a piece comparing these cards and see if $1,200 is worth spending, or maybe we should wait for an AMD alternative that's coming out in about a month's time. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one.